Hello creators, welcome to Design Crafter, providing step-by-step Canva tips for all skill levels. Remember to like and subscribe so you can learn and create. For this tutorial, we are going to be designing a YouTube banner using Canva. Some might ask, what is your YouTube banner? Basically, YouTube banner is a visual representation of your channel. It appears at the top of your channel page. It gives viewers an insider look into your page, what your page is about. Imagine a website's homepage or social media's cover page. For this tutorial, we are going to be using one of the most amazing design tools ever, Canva. Canva is an incredible, user-friendly design tool, perfect for anyone, even beginners, looking to create stunning designs effortlessly for social media and more. We are going to type the URL canva.com. By now you should know it is canva.com. Once you type the URL, you can just come to the search bar and search for YouTube banner. Once you do this, Canva will give you a drop-down of different options. You can just click on this particular option here. That says YouTube banner. As you can see, the size is 2560 by 1440 pixels. Alternatively, like I always say, you can still, if you don't know the particular size, you can still get the size. You can come and search on Google, search for YouTube banner size. As you can see, I have already started searching for it before in pixels. If you click on this, you see that the size is actually that 25 of 60 pixels times 1440 pixels. What I want to do now, we can create a new design using these dimensions that we have, or you can still continue using the search. Let me show you something. On this search bar, we searched for YouTube banner. Canva is very amazing in that it gives you different templates that you can use for your designs. It gives you different templates that you can just use and edit it in different formats. Or basically, even if you want to edit it, it is going to give you ideas on how you would like your own banner to look like, your own design to look like. And as I always say, you can also search using the filter, and you can see different search categories: style, theme, language, animation, video, audio, subject. So you have different options. Again, you can search using color. But as I like to do, and I would like you to also do, is to start your designs from the beginning. And to do that, you have to click on this Create Design, this blank space with this cross. So once you click on this, Canva is going to take you to a whole different page. Here you have an empty canvas for you to start your design. Now, once this happens, I'm going to show you something that is very, very important when you are designing your YouTube banner. Before we continue, I want to change this color. I don't really like this color. I want to change it to something that we can work with. The white is just staring at us. So it's very important to note that this whole square you are seeing, rectangle, this whole rectangle you are seeing here, when you are designing, not all this can be seen on all devices. This rectangle can be seen. This whole rectangle can be seen only on a TV. Then there are different sizes. I'm going to show you what to do. What you want to do is you want to align your banner display. You want to make it so that whatever device, because most people are going to be watching your YouTube page, your YouTube videos, checking your channel out on their phones, so you want to be able to see your banner completely on their phones. And now to do that, you're going to have to put dimensions, guidelines that will guide you to put your design in the appropriate space. Now I'll help you to do that. First thing you're going to need to do is to bring out your ruler on Canva. Now, if you don't know how to do that, the simple thing to do is, if you are using a Windows system, Windows PC, you hold Shift and R. If you are using a MacBook, you hold the MacBook representative for Shift and R. So once you do that, you'll see these different ruler options will show on your vertical and your horizontal. Now, the ideal for your vertical, you're looking at, you see all this, the ruler has its dimensions written here. Let's increase it a little bit so that you can see what I'm talking about. You can see the dimensions written here. So for your vertical, you're looking at making it go to this edge on the 1000 arrow, and you drag the arrow out. So we are going to put the arrow at 507 or 508. You can see this blue numbered pop up above here where the dimensions are shown. You can arrange it so it gets to 507, 508. Then that's for one. Then you go and drag the second one, drag it, and put it at 2055. This is, as I said, to make sure that your design will show up on all devices 2055. Now for your horizontal, the same thing. Move your cursor until it gets to the ruler and shows this arrow, an up and down arrow. Drag it down. I am putting it so you can see where the blue light is showing the dimensions at the edge of the ruler. We are looking at 509. Then we'll drag the second one. I want to put it at 933. Now what this means is you can see these blue lines now. Any design that you do in between this dimension here will show on all devices. This space over here will show on, if you're watching your YouTube channel on like a TV, you can see your YouTube banner on like a TV. On desktop devices, this other space here will show. So you are going to make your design to cover everything and make it interactive enough that all these different parts of this canvas has aspects of your design. But the main information is going to be in between here, because this is where you want it to be. This is where it will show for every other device, show for your mobile phone, and show on every device in this space here. So now that you've gotten this, the next thing you're going to do now is to add your logo or a picture, something that resonates with your design. Now you go to your uploads to upload it from wherever you have it. Now before we continue, let me show you something that way you can get. You are not very comfortable with these lines. Let me show you something else you can do. You can also still go to Google and type YouTube banner template. Now you would see all these different images pop up. I want to download one of these images now. So right-click and save this image. Once you save this image, I already have it here. You go back to your design and you upload that image. As you can see, I've already done that. Let's just upload the image. In case you don't know how to upload, you click on Upload and click on the particular image and open it. So this is the image I've uploaded. Once I open the image, you take it right to the very edge, let it align the edge, then you increase it to the very end. Now you will see that this area here, this slightly darker gray, is in the same area as our ruler. This space we gave our ruler, which is where all your text will show. I'm just showing this as like a 2FA for you to know that we are on the right track, doing it how it's supposed to be done. Remember, this is an alternate way that you can use also, but using the rulers is the best way for you. It's straight to the point. Now the next thing we're going to do is upload our image for our YouTube banner. What image do you want to use? So I'm going to upload an image now, a logo for my YouTube banner. So once your logo is finished uploading, you click on it to put it to your canvas. We're going to reduce it because we want everything within this allotted dimension. Drag it, let's see if it's within. You can do it inside. You can reduce a little, just a little, so it's not too big. Now after you've done this, as you can see, our gray color is contrasting a lot with this logo. So we need to change to something that suits this logo. Let's change the background color. Let's find something that relates to that. Maybe we'll use this. Let's use this. So now you have your logo inside this allotted spot. Let me increase it a little bit more, just slightly. Now the next thing is to add some kind of text that represents what you are doing. Now for this design, we are creating a banner for a YouTube channel called Animal Adventurers. So we're going to have the text for our YouTube channel. First and foremost, that it should be here. This is now where your creativity shines. You can do whatever you want to do here, but we are working with Animal Adventurers for this design. I'm going to change this color a little bit. Let me change it to white. Then after that, you're going to need a subtitle, something that ties into everything. So let me duplicate this and bring it downwards. Animal Adventurers. The subtitle is going to be Wildlife Encounters Across the Globe. No global wildlife encounters. Let's reduce this because I'm going outside our dimension. Let's make it 40. That's nice. Increase the spacing to about 100. Let me give it a background. This yellow is too out there, so let's find something else, white. This makes sense. Now this is perfect already. Just to make our design into bits finer and better, we need to add pause. Add a background of pause so everything is beautiful. Reduce the transparency a little bit. Let's make it 50. Copy and paste duplicates multiple times so it fills the page. Click on all of this, duplicate it. Then I'm going to send this to the back so that is not in front of our design. Now our YouTube banner is done. From that, all you're going to do is just click on the share icon, click on download, make sure it's in PNG, and download your file. Once your file has finished downloading, you can open it and see how your YouTube banner looks like. And that is all. That is all. Thanks for watching. You are amazing. Your support means everything. Stay creative, stay inspired, and remember to like and subscribe so you can learn and create.